Let's take a closer look at this DEWALT 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. You can see here that it comes with a battery pack, the saw itself, a blade, charger, and a bag. Every kit is sold differently, and some kits have the tool only, but you have to look at exactly what you're buying. But this particular one has all of these features, and as I mentioned, it has the battery pack that comes on and off the back of the saw. It has the blade that comes with it, and you can always replace blades in the future. But I get a lot of great use out of this because I am not tied to the job with a cord, and I've been able to take this on jobs all over in remote areas. I even use it in my own workshop because it is so handy. Let's cover a couple of the features on this 6.5-inch circular saw. You can see that there's a safety feature for pushing the button to start this saw, which is very handy. I'm going to talk about all the standard features that you will have in any circular saw. You can change the angle of the cut. You can change the depth of the cut. Naturally, you have a guard that goes around the blade. And then on the back side, you can see here, this is how you change the depth of the blade cut. And to change the blade itself, it comes with its own Allen wrench so that you can change the blade very easily. I know that everyone will get the same use out of it. I highly recommend this DEWALT 6.5-inch circular saw with a battery pack.